Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problems 3 and 4 in exercise 14.1 statistics. Problem number 3. The following distribution shows the daily packet allowance of children of a locality. The mean packet allowance is rupees 18. Find the missing frequency F. So here the thing is the value of mean is given and we have to find the value of F. So look at the tabulation here. So daily packet allowance and number of children is given here. And you see these are all the datas. And we have to find this part, okay? F, we have to find the missing frequency. So this is just reverse of it, right? So we don't know what is the method we have to use. Simply they are giving the mean value is this. So find the missing frequency. So whenever you have questions like this, you just better go by direct method because it will be very easy for us to solve. So here in the solution, you just list out daily packet allowance and number of children. So these are all the values which are given here. So the first thing is you have to calculate xi. So just you have to take the average. So 11 plus 13 will give you 24 and 24 by 2 gives you 12. Similarly here it is 28, right? 28 by 2 gives you 14. And similarly here it is 32 and 32 by 2 gives you 16. Likewise you just take the average and calculate the value of xi, right? And now the next thing is we are proceeding with fi xi. So this is your fi and this is your xi. So just you have to multiply. So 7 12s are 84 and 6 14s are 84, 9 16s are 144 and 13 18s are 234 and f into 20 you just simply write it as 20f and the remaining things as such. So now you have to find summation of fi. So summation of fi here we have an unknown parameter f. So keep that f as such and you just add the remaining numbers. So this gives the answer as 44. So it is f plus 44. And now the next thing is here we have fi xi. So when you just add, so here the answer is it is 20f plus 752. Right. So this is the summation of this tabulation. So by direct method, what is the formula of mean? It is given by summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So here the value of mean is 18. So 18 is given by this 20f plus 752 divided by summation of fi is f plus 44. So just substitute here. So just do a cross multiplication. Okay, 18 get multiplied by this value. So 18 into f plus 44 is equal to 20f plus 752. So just multiply this 18 with the elements here. So 18 into f gives you 18f and 18 into 44 gives you 792. So which is equal to 20f plus 752. So again just arrange the terms, arrange the f terms together and the numbers together. Right. So here I had moved this 20f to the left hand side. It is up to you, right? Even you can move this 18f to the right hand side. So here 18f minus 20f. So this gives you minus 2f. Similarly, I am moving this number to the right hand side. So 752 minus 792 gives you minus 40. So this minus minus they cancel each other and the value of f is 40 by 2 which is nothing but 20. So this is the value of the missing frequency, right? So this problem gets over here. We will proceed with our fourth problem. So problem number 4. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. So find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women. Choose a suitable method. So here you see this is the list, right? This is the tabulation which is given in the problem. Number of heartbeats per minute and number of women. So here again before finalizing the method, we have to find the value of xi. Okay, that is the top priority. So here the first thing to be done is first write down the given things in the problem. Number of heartbeats per minute and number of women. This is nothing but our fi. And the next thing is we are going to calculate the value of xi. So when you find xi, just you have to take the average, right? So 65 plus 68 divided by 2 gives you 66.5. Similarly, again the same thing, right? 68 plus 71, the whole divided by 2 gives you 69.5. So just take the average for all the intervals given in the problem, right? So that gives the value of xi here. So based upon the value of xi, we are going to select what is the best method to proceed, right? So again you see, the xi, the values are comparatively bigger, right? They are just not like 10 or 12. So they are bigger numbers. Therefore, here we decide to proceed with the step deviation method. So again the same thing. What is the formula for step deviation method? It is given by this formula, right? So summation of, that is mean, is equal to a plus summation of fi ui divided by summation of fi into h. So now we have to find all these values. So first we will start with a. So just count how many values we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. So we can easily select the middle one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 75.5 is the value of a. Right. So after selecting the value of a, we can proceed with the formula. Again, we have to find h, right? So what is the value of h here? You see, again the intervals are common. So 68 minus 65 is 3. Similarly, 77 minus 74 is 3 and 86 minus 83 is also 3. So here the intervals are constant. So the value of h is 3. So here the value of a is 75.5 and the value of h is 3. Right. Now we have to find what is the thing we need. We need fi ui. So just write down fi ui. So what is ui? Again ui is nothing but xi minus a by h. And what is this value? That is xi minus a. We are sorting it as di. So di is xi minus a. So we know the value of a. These are all the xi's. So we can just directly substitute, right? So 66.5 minus 75.5 gives you minus 9. Similarly, 69.5 minus 75.5 gives you minus 6. So likewise, you just fill this column, right? You sort out the values of di. And the next thing is ui is nothing but di by h. So this is your di and the value of h is 3. So minus 9 by 3 gives you minus 3. Minus 6 by 3, minus 2. Minus 3 by 3, minus 1. Similarly, for this 3, 6, 9, we get the positive values. The next is fi ui. So this is your fi and this is your ui, right? 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Likewise, you just fill this column also. So again, you see, when you add these three values, the answer is minus 17. And when you add these three values, 7, 8 and 6, that gives plus 21. So when you add here, 21 minus 17 gives you plus 4. So summation of fi ui is plus 4 here. And again, the summation of fi is, when you add all these values here, the answer is 30. Right. So here x bar, the mean value is a plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. So here a is 75.5 plus the summation value here, it is 4. Okay, 4 by 30 into 3. So again when you simplify, it is 10, right? 3 and 30, they cancel by 10 times. And 4 by 10 is 0.4. So a is 75.5. So 75.5 plus 0.4 gives you 75.9 and this is the mean value of heartbeats per minute. That's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.